Hello everyone. Take a bottle cap, then take some clay and a rock. Add the clay to one of the sides and then stick the rock on it. Now make a bee out of some paper. Take some yellow and white paper, stick it around the bottle cap. Now we will be learning how to make this fish. Start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it into half diagonally and then make multiple slits on it. Fold each of the slits and then stick it in the center. Add a face. Next, take a balloon and then add a little marble to the middle of it. Tie a rubber band around it once you are done and then blow air into it. Tie a knot at the end of it and then it'll stand now. Add ears to the top and then add eyes and a cute little face. Tilt it and move it around as you please. Take a 21 by 2 cm paper and then make a knot out of it. Make multiple slits on one of the ends and then roll these slits inwards as such. On the other end, make the shape of a bird head. Add a cute little eye to it. Now, take an empty tissue roll and then stick the shape of a heart on one of the ends. Curve one side of the tissue rolls and then stick it together on alternate sides as such. Add a beak and a little eye to it. Now we will be learning how to make these bunny rabbits out of different colors. Start off by taking 2 white strips of paper and then fold one over the other continuously until all of the paper is done with. Stick the ends of it using either glue or tape. At the top, stick a circular shape and then add ears to the circular shape. Add eyes, a cute little smile, and don't forget to add the hands and the legs of it as well. Next, take a cup and then draw an almost ovular shape on either side of it. In the center, draw a rectangular shape and then add hands and legs as well. Flatten it on any flat surface and then draw on the face. Next, we will be learning how to make these small little bunny bags. A square paper and then fold it up into half 2 times until you make a triangular shape. Cut out the shape out of it and then fold it outwards. Now, fold the head inwards on one of the sides. Fold all of the squares in. Using the ears, use it in the center, pull it through the other 2 sides. Now, start off by taking a cup. For this cup, draw on the face of it. Draw a cute little smile as well as a mouth. Add blush on the sides and the whiskers. At the top, stick the ears. Make 2 slits on either side of this cup. Now, stick 2 bottle caps together, add a rubber band around it, and then tape either of the sides on either edge. Roll it up and then make it run. Now we will be learning how to make this worm. We will need 2 sticks. Now take a 5 by 5 cm paper. Make a fold at the top and the bottom and then add tape to both of the ends. Stick them together. Make multiple slits in the middle, add a stick on either end, and then in the front add a face out of any other paper that is circular in nature. Make it move. Now we will be learning how to make these finger rabbits. Take a 13 by 19 cm paper, fold in the edges downwards as such. Fold in the sides to the back and then stick both the sides together. Flatten out the front portion of it. Flatten out the ears as well. In the center, add the face to it and then color the insides pink. Take a yellow circular sheet of paper, fold it into half. Now take another circular sheet of paper and then draw swirls on it. Add the eyes to the yellow sheet and then add a cute little smile. Stick it all together. Take an empty tissue roll and then make 2 slits on it on the upper and the lower end. Do this on either side as well. Now make a curved shape at the bottom and then make a flat straight shape on the bottom. Paint it green, add eyes and then push it forward and make it act like a frog as such. For our next craft, we will be needing a transparent glove. Paint or color the top portions in pink and yellow accordingly. In the center, draw 2 circular shapes that looks like an eye. Wrap all of this around a cup. Add a hole in one of the ends of the cup and push a straw through. Blow air in and out. Now we will be learning how to make this butterfly. Start off by taking a square sheet of paper, make multiple diagonal and vertical folds in it on either side. Fold in the edges upwards as such and then fold it downwards. Bend it into half and there you have it. Thank you for watching.